Hey guys, as I said, today I'm out. So you have the following things to do today during Raven time, and they're just two things. First of all, you are going to watch CNN 10 from today, October 11th, and please complete a reflection telling me a connection you have with one of the topics covered today on the news. Maybe you've been there, or you read about what was covered, or you took part in an activity that's covered. Two questions you have about something that you saw on the news, including like what might happen next, what might happen as a result of what you saw. And then finally, three full sentences responding to what you saw on the news. It could all be from the same story, or it could be from different stories. That's up to you. I hope this makes sense. When you're finished with that, and that should take 10 minutes to watch the news, maybe 5 minutes to respond, so 15 minutes or so, maybe 20 minutes by the time you log in and stuff. Use your time wisely. The remaining time, I want you to work with your team to rank the survival items. Remember, you're lost at sea. You got to get home safe. So you need to rank these items. You've already ranked them yourself. I saw you guys do that on Thursday, but as a team, you need to rank them. Our next available time, probably Tuesday, I'll look at the Coast Guard ranking, and then we will look at the difference between your picks and the Coast Guard, and whoever has the lowest number, actually, it'll be the lowest number here, will be the winning team. And you will get to decide what we do on a Raven Time Friday. Could be a game day inside, we could go outside, we could play non-academic Kahoots or quizzes. I'm open to suggestions. All right, guys, I hope you have a good day. I will see you on Tuesday. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing your rankings.